Sunday, so I thought let me just give you guys a few tips on some hairstyles to use for the rest of the week. So let's do 5 because there's a lot and I ran out of time. So yes, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need water with your conditioner in it. If you are spraying just water in your hair, why? Then you can add conditioner and it helps. Just saying. Then you're gonna need your conditioner, and then you're gonna need hairbands. I use these tiny ones because I don't need the big scrunchies, and I'm gonna use the big scrunchies, but you're gonna need both. And then you're also gonna need some clips. Okay, so let's start off with moisturizing our hair because it has to always be moisturized. The rule is we do not touch or handle our hair dry. You do not do that. We're not making it soaking away, we're just putting some moisture in. And because my hair shrunk, so we're just gonna moisturize it and put a little water in. And then some conditioner. No, just a little because I already did my wash day yesterday. So I'm just showing you what you need to do. My hair is already moisturized, but yeah. Okay, let's keep it simple. Let's do it quick. I'm running out of time. So for the work girlies, and you just want to be simple, you don't want to do too much, these girls stay out because they always stay out. And then you're gonna take all your hair so my edges are done from yesterday, just saying. It is the Eco Styler, the green one, the olive oil, but the max 10 hold Eco Styler. Love it. Okay, so just once if you need to with the hairbands, but stretched out 2 because we don't do tight hairstyles in our lives because edges. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Simple, we look professional. You know, you can still wear your mini braids and be professional. Quick, turn around. Okay, we did that one. So then we do the half up, half down. I love the half up, half down. So you're gonna take this. I don't think I have any hairstyles without this out. I should do something without it out. Okay, so for these hairstyles, I like to use my scrunchie because it kind of like lifts it, if I can say that. With the small ones, it doesn't. But I'll show you what I mean. Half up, half down. Simple. Still looks good. Oh, that's what it is. Still looks good. You can do it without this if you want to, but like this does the thing. Straight. And again, shrinkage. This was the one I measured. And shrinkage. It's not, my hair hasn't broken off. This is the one I've measured. So with these long ones that I showed you, yeah, this is what I measured. So it's kind of stretched out, which I will show you my stretch out, like I said. Okay, so let's show you the back. Okay, simple. Style number 2, style number 3. I like this one. I think I feel so cute in this hairstyle. I promise you. But let's just show you. So you're gonna go move everything to the front. And just one little tie over. And you have your little, this one, it's so uneven. I mean, it's so shrinked. So let me just, because now it's bothering me. Can I just stretch this one a little bit? See how it stretches? Shrinkage, baby, shrinkage. And she is now the same length. Okay, now we feel a little bit normal. Okay, yeah, this looks better. Okay, so here's my lazy bun. I think I should make this a little bit brighter. I don't know, we'll see. I like this filter because it makes the orange pop. And even my lip stuff pop. I don't even have orange lipstick. So I don't know, maybe this color is meant for orange. I mean the filter. Okay, so you can do that. Or you can let a few little strands at the back out. So this is option number 1. Option number 2, like I said, love it. And this is what it looks like at the back. And it's like a cute little lazy hairstyle. You know, you can make it your Sunday hairstyle or your Friday hairstyle. You can take some out over here. Cute, cute. And then the simple, normal pony. Also leaving these ones, a few one of these out. Simple hairstyle, another one. Cute. They're shrinking again. Oh, this one is gonna keep shrinking. Anyway. Okay. I don't know, we're now on to hairstyle number, I don't know, and I said 5. What? We are here, aren't we? Okay, and then I want to try with this, but there's not that many. So with the mini braids, I couldn't do that, you know, up hairstyle because it's so little with the mini braids. With the twists, it kind of swells up, so it kind of gives it like a cute little. So let's try and get more just to kind of make it look fuller. Oh yay. Okay. And then you're going to take your clips. One is fine, let's just do 2 for control. So what I do is on the other side, so I've clipped it upwards. So now I'm going to clip this one downwards so that it doesn't move this up, if that makes sense. Go away. If that makes sense. Okay, so let's just pull this a little bit to the front so we can close up the gap. There we go. And then you can either put a clip like this. Where's my clips? There they. Okay, and then you can either clip this one up like this. You're gonna want to use bigger claws for this one, but I don't have bigger claws because I wasn't a claw girl ever. We're gonna take the second one, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay, now I got another. Okay, wait, I got another idea. So let's take this and we clip it this way to the back. Did this make a difference? I don't know. Let me take the other clip. No. Okay, so we're gonna do like this little situation over here, and then okay, this needs to tuck in, so we'll tuck this in just now. I want to get bigger clips because let's put another clip. Another clip over here because you are being unnecessary and a pain. Okay, so this was the little clip. That's what it looks like. I love it. This is what it looks like. In fact, I don't know, but let me try. If I put an extra clip here, would it? Ow. Okay. I don't know. I can't see the back of my head, so I'm hoping it's gonna work. Okay, and then so let's do another one, and then there's the cute little, I'm too old for that, so I'm not gonna do it. But this is for the young girlies that wanna ow, ow, ow. Okay, this is for the young girlies. Okay. Oh no, let's take this up. Okay, I think I'm gonna I should actually make this a 4 versions of a half up, half down. I don't know. But anyway, if you need to, you can just take a clip. To tame the unrulies. Okay, let's see what this is. In fact, I actually should have timed this here. Okay, we're gonna do that, but anyway, you get the idea. Then our normal Space Buns. Ow. So the thing is, like, without, you can do so much. I think I'm gonna every Sunday I should do a hairstyles video, but I'm kind of ruining this one. Huh? Okay, we'll see. We'll look for more hairstyles. Oh, I still have clips in the way. Where's the other one? Oh, it's gone now. I'll find it tomorrow. I don't know. Oh. Is this? Yes. Okay. I'm not ever gonna do this hairstyle, but for the sake of. I don't know where to put you. You just lastig. Okay. It's just okay. So look at this without this, and then look at this with. Come on, come on. You can't tell me this doesn't look cuter. Say. And this is the back. So I will get bigger clips. I don't think I'm doing well with this jaws, with the small clips. So I'm gonna get bigger clips, jaws, so that yeah. Anyway, and then my all-time favorite, because I'm a grown woman. Yeah, you always just gonna be here, no? Can't you just please, for the sake of this video, can you just stay there? Okay, you're not going to, no? Well, reality. And then we have simple, normal. This is my everyday hairstyle, but this was before my hair was touching here, because when it was like this one, I couldn't do this. First it looked funny, and And that one always just stayed in a bun. It just always stayed in a bun. So yes, I think I'm gonna, yeah, I think every Sunday I'm gonna do a video, but I'm gonna dedicate it to like half up, half downs, or buns, or yeah, because there's a lot and you don't have time to sit there much more all day. So hope you liked it. Bye.